what's going on, guys? We are back here for another video, and today for you we are going to be doing an unboxing video for a video I won.
Contest.
A giveaway I won.
Oh.
And his name is Kyle Harmon Outdoors LLC, and I think he just hit 100 subscribers, so let's get him to 200 subscribers. And yeah, I pretty much won a giveaway, and we're going to just be unboxing it. So now all I gotta do is just cut the tape with my friend's knife because I kind of forgot mine.
Good job, James. You look like you're struggling.
Your knife is straight garbage. Ow.
Are you doing okay?
Yes.
Alright, just cut a slit there, and then you can rip it. Alright, you should be able to rip it. Here, watch your fingers.
I got it. Maybe. Yeah, I need this knife again. Alright, we got it?
Yep.
Never mind. Now we got it.
There we go. Just rip. They did a good job packaging this.
I know.
Too good of a job, to be honest.
Alright.
Here, hold on. Move.
There we go. And this is the real, a pen fierce. So this is the box.
Bag. Right.
Ooh.
That's gonna look good on that ugly stick.
Yeah.
Show the camera. Alright, get out of the bag.
It's a 2500.
Series, is it? Right?
Something like that.
That's gonna look good.
Oh my gosh, there's rubber on it too. Feel this.
Oh, that's nice.
You guys, I wish you were able to feel this right now. That right there.
That strip of red in the middle is rubber.
And it feels so good. Hey, wait. You guys know what we have to do when there's bubbles.
Yes. Okay, let's move on.
Alright, yeah.
You gotta tighten that.
Oh, this reel is so nice. Shout out to Kyle Harmon Outdoors LLC something. This is a really nice reel, and yeah. Let's get him to 200 subscribers. So guys, this is the rod I'm going to be putting it on. It's an Ugly Stick GX2, a medium, 6 foot even. And
it's very floppy.
like
super light.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And yeah, now we just got to put the
Chew.
reel on it. Your garage, Samuel.
Are you sure about that? Are you sure it's mine?
Your dad's garage.
No, are you sure it's my garage's fault?
Yes, I'm pretty sure.
That looks good.
Yeah, that does.
Red and black on red and black.
Black and red. It's super smooth too.
All it clicks. That's nice.
I got it.
All right, let's get some line on it.
So guys, now I'm going to be spooling it with my colorful braid. And the braid is going to be 50-pound test, I think. I'm not sure. It doesn't. Yeah, it's 50 pound.
Okay. Jeez.
And I got it off of Amazon.
Of course.
And yeah. Oh my gosh, I need to tighten the drag.
That might help.
Good enough. Just gonna spool it all the way up now. And we are almost spooled. And we are...
Full.
Yeah, full.
All right, let's cut that off. And what do you want to tie on first? Or should we tie on something?
I'm not gonna tie on anything. So guys, that will be it for this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and go subscribe to him. His YouTube channel is Kyle Harmon
Outdoors LLC.
Yes.
See, I remember.
And shout out to him for this reel. It's very nice.
Super nice.
And
I love it.
let's get him to 200 subscribers before
That's
the
the
end
goal.
of the month.
Yeah, that's the goal.
Yes.
All right.